Look, I think it's a really important point because at the end of it, investors want to know that when they're buying or selling units in a particular pooled vehicle, they're doing so on the basis of some independent oversight of that valuation process. I believe at Metrics that we operate under probably the highest governance standard globally for private assets in terms of the way in which those assets are valued. So for instance, because we operate two ASX listed funds, we're subject to ASX continuous disclosure obligations. Private debt has a tendency to have a very low materiality threshold. We undertake detailed credit risk assessment, market risk assessment on an ongoing basis, and each month that's independently verified by one of the top tier accounting firms that does an independent assessment of the market value and any potential risk of impairment across our portfolio. We also have, as a result of being listed, a half-year and annual review and audit process that's undertaken by KPMG as the auditors of our funds, again going through and doing a deep dive in relation to the valuation and impairment testing across the assets. We have an independent firm called Mercer Sentinel that does an operational risk review on an annual basis. We also have two of our funds that are rated by S&P. And so there's a lot of checks and balances in terms of what we do. But importantly, what we've been able to demonstrate over the course of the last 10 years is regular, consistent repayment of our loans at par without loss to our investors. And so by having relatively short dated loans, what we see is regular recycling and repayment of our borrower facilities and the ability to reinvest. And so we were very conscious when we launched our ASX listed funds, the Metrics Master Income Trust and the Metrics Income Opportunities Trust, that investors could have confidence in the daily NAV when it was quoted. And as a result of the governance and oversight processes that I just spoke to, together with an independent responsible entity overseeing our activities, I think give investors a lot of confidence in terms of the way in which private loan assets are valued in our portfolios.